Dolly, noma wethu, Dlangomo, I put this ring on your finger. Not just as jewelry or ornament. I put this as a token of my appreciation to you. And a promise to forever be by your side through everything, to protect you and love you through everything. And the seal ukuthi, wherever we go, you'll be by my side. I love you, Matches.
Hey. Hey.
The first day I met you,
Asuka lo.
Nando that drew me to you was your bubbly personality. I told my friends about you, and I told them how different you are from me. And Nando, that made me crazy about you. They felt that it was silly, but to me, it was enough. It was that you could speak Afrikaans. But today, in front of God, our parents, our families, and our friends, ndithi kuwe namhlanje, I promise to always love you, to always inspire you to do better, to be by your side when the wind blows, to protect you my own way, to cook for you, to make you happy, to respect you, but most importantly, to be your perfect partner. I love you, Bheki.